Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks the process. Check firmware, available storage, and the app is installed. Once done, open the Moyo app and sign in. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your device. Then power on the widget and press the pairing button for 3 seconds until the LED blinks blue. You do this because an active connection and correct permissions let the app detect the widget immediately and avoid connection errors later. You now move into configuration and calibration so the widget behaves predictably. Start the in-app setup wizard and pick a clear device name, correct time zone, and measurement units. These choices prevent data mismatch. Next, run the initial calibration. Place the widget on a flat surface and wait until calibration reaches 100% because accurate baseline readings matter for every measurement. Finally, set update frequency, enable notifications, and install any recommended firmware patches to keep stability and performance high. You finish by validating and securing the setup so you can rely on the widget. Verify the live data stream for 5 to 10 minutes and make sure values and timestamps align with expectations. This confirms proper calibration and sync. Save a backup of settings and sync to your cloud account so restoration is quick if you replace the device. If pairing fails, reboot the phone and widget. Make sure to back up settings first. Then perform a factory reset only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.